Hi everybody! In this video we'll be adding the Developer tab. Why do we need this tab? We need it because this is how we open the Visual Basic development window. Why do we need the Visual Basic development window? It's because we want to view or create macros. These can be recorded or they can be written. Okay, so let's add the Developer tab. Go to File, Options, Customize ribbon. Then we've got popular commands there, and if you look on this side, make sure it's Main tabs. Go down and check this box that says Developer, then click OK. And you'll see at the top, you now have the Developer tab. Click on this and you'll see a new ribbon giving you all sorts of new options. We're interested in macros and the Visual Basic development window. Click on macros and this will list any macros you have in this workbook. Let's cancel that. Click on the Visual Basic button to open the Visual Basic development window. You can see at the top, I haven't saved my workbook, so my workbook is coming up as Book 1, Excel. This matches here, Book 1, and down here you can see I have Sheet 1. There you go, Sheet 1, and it's this workbook. If I click on the worksheet, it pushes the Excel development window to the back. Now I'm going to save my workbook. Go to File, Save As, and click Browse. I'll save this to my desktop. And I'm going to call it Adding Developer tab. Click Save. Now you can see it's changed at the top to Adding Developer tab. Click on the Visual Basic button on the ribbon and it'll bring the Developer window back to the front. You can now see the project says Adding Developer tab. Now we will change the name of Sheet 1. Click on the worksheet, which pushes the Developer window to the back again. Double click on the worksheet name and change it to Finances. So now we have the workbook called Adding Developer tab with a worksheet called Finances. Click back on the Visual Basic button to bring the Developer window to the front again. You can now see it's still called Sheet 1, but in brackets it says Finances. So you can see that that matches up with that. So to add further context, we will add another worksheet. We will call this Timesheet. Go back to the Visual Basic window and you will see that Sheet 2 has been added with Timesheet in brackets. So internally they still keep their names as Sheet 1 and Sheet 2, but the new sheet names are shown in the brackets. And that's your workbook name. So that was how to add the Developer tab. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my learning materials that are available on the Amazon Kindle store.